What's your name?
My name is Sujata. Sujata Baliwada.
Okay. Are you from which community?
I'm from India.
You're from India. So how long you've been in Canada?
Last year only, and
Last year.
10 months.
10 months. Okay, so
Yeah.
you're very new. Yeah, so you just attended a workshop right now.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. So how beneficial do you think these workshops are for the community women?
For me and for all the women out here, I think it's very good because we are not aware of breast cancer still now. And today, after the workshop, I feel it's very good, and everyone, each and every woman should know what exactly is breast cancer. And I think the awareness is that the workshop was wonderful, and the presenter was quite aware of everything, and she has presented very nicely. Yeah.
Yeah, so do you think that programs like this, our program is called MBA, the Multicultural Breast Health, and we go into different communities. Do you think so that this program, the need is much there in the community for such programs?
Yeah, of course. Of course, definitely. I'll say that because each and every nook and corner, every woman should know about it, and they should really aware of what exactly the breast cancer, how they will, they'll know about themselves, that how far they
Without
go to the
feeling shy.
doctor, and they should go for the test and everything. That is not there in our community.
So do you think like breast health is still a taboo in our community? We don't want people to feel shy. They don't want
Yeah,
to talk about
definitely.
it? In the South
Definitely,
Asian community?
we shouldn't actually. It's just a part of our body, and I think as if so suppose sometimes it happens like we met with an accident and our hand or something like or has been broken. So at that time we go to the doctor. The same thing happens with the breast also. See, it's a part of our body, and we should go for a checkup. I think so.
So like I can see that you can speak fluent English, so language is not a barrier for you. But you think so like in the South Asian community there's an attitude prevalent in women that they don't give health a priority? Or breast health is not oftenly discussed?
No, actually, I don't feel so, because some of the people, some of the ladies, or in our community, the ladies, those who don't know the English, that don't know the language, they can take a support of someone else and go to the doctor and ask about it. And if they'll go, and here in Canada, I think so many Indian doctors are there, so they can consult any Indian doctor or any community doctor. It doesn't matter at all. And they can take a person who knows the language better. Yeah.
So they need some kind of language assistance.
Yeah, of
Some
course.
kind of.
Of course.
So the literacy or language barrier is there.
Literacy and language barrier is there, I'll say, but it can be removed
Yeah.
if you take some support from anyone else. It doesn't matter at all.
Okay.
The main thing is that you have to be aware of your health. That's all. Not the language.
So we for the MBA project we have a social media project, and we use Facebook page to disseminate breast health information. What do you think? Like, is this a good attempt of our project?
Wonderful. It's wonderful because you are just going throughout the world. That's it. And Facebook is the best media. That's the main media nowadays.
And it is commonly used by women.
Women, yeah.
Yeah, in the South Asian community.
Yeah. Even if housewives also, they used to sit and they used to
And Skype.
see Facebook, Skype,
And probably we
everything.
can use these Skype sessions also to, if women are unable,
Yeah.
let's say we had a gathering together,
Yeah.
and they're unable to come to the venue, we can do a Skype call.
Yeah, of course we can do that.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
So like we are, in our next phase, we are planning to put some YouTube videos in ethnic languages, which will talk about breast health. So do you
That's
think so it's a good initiative?
Wonderful.
We would get like some.
Yeah, definitely. Why not?
Because it will be in Hindi, Punjabi and Gujarati.
Yeah, that
So-
would be easier for the Indians to understand the language. Yeah, to watch. And I think YouTube also, it's a wonderful website where women used to sit and watch serials,
Yeah.
the housewives. So it is wonderful to, it is good
it could be
enough. Yeah, good enough.
So it could be a
they-
good educational medium.
Yeah,
then.
of course, I feel so.
Thank you so much. Thank you for
you.
your wonderful time. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
మీరు మాట్లాడగలరా